After installing WSL, we can more easily install the Docker. We can also use Docker desktop. When I run this WSL command, it will start the Ubuntu and come here, and we can easily install the necessary Docker packages in the Ubuntu. Let's first update it. Let's ask for a password. This command updates the Ubuntu itself, so that we have the latest packages and more secure packages in the Ubuntu. After everything is installed, we can use official Docker script to install the Docker. I'm pausing while it is installing since it is taking. Okay, everything is installed and I'm running to this official Docker. We downloaded it and we again run it. We don't need Docker desktop to install in the Ubuntu normally. It is running command in this script. It will again take a little bit time, therefore I am pausing. It installed everything necessary. After it installs, we are running this command. We are adding our user to Docker user so that we don't need to use Docker. Sudo with the Docker, and we can see Docker version. It is installed to 20.1, and we can see the Docker Compose version. And we can see Docker is running with this standard Docker run hello. Okay, we need to first comment the sudo run hello world, Docker run hello world. I don't remember the correct name. I think the command is here hello world, Docker run hello world, and it is going to the internet, downloading the necessary image and running hello from Docker, and we see that Docker is installed.